Hello there, same project day 4, I think it's 4, yeah. Okay, what I want to do today is to insert one of my energy meter. This is a PZM 015, I recall, right, exactly, in between the MPPT charger and the batteries. And then I can have a clear idea about how much energy is going into these batteries. For now, same story. 3P15S. The panels are disconnected, and now the second I'll disconnect for being secure. I'll disconnect the batteries, and I can do that very easy, just taking out the fuses. Alright, so I'm gonna have the input in here. The input to the meter goes to the MPPT output. So it's a very simple install. In fact, it's nothing special here. Okay, we are good here. The next one goes to minus, evidently. And now, very simple. Output goes to the batteries. Be really careful with the polarity, it's very important. The connections are done. All I have to do now is just to make it run, alright? Okay, like a piece of advice, always have a resistor. Okay, let's say 10 ohms. This is a 16 ohms. Before connecting the batteries to the MPPT and any other stuff, because the capacitor inside are empty, and it will be a huge flame, so we don't need that. That's why I'm having this resistor. Look there, I'm having this resistor to connect it through, and there we go. And then we can apply the real stuff, because now the capacitors are pretty loaded, and we can have that in proper manner. Okay, people, so far here is the meter, 43.8 volts. All right, how much do we have on the 44 on the MPPT? Okay, now I have to reset all these things. So we start with watts hour down there, 0. Next, amp hours. Perfect. And the last one is the time. What's nice about this device? The time, it's running as long as there is a load or a current. So if you don't have a current here, we got no times running. So you can have a very clear idea about how much energy and in how much time. Okay, so it's time to connect the panels. Well, today it's a pretty cloudy day. It's nothing spectacular running, but let's see what we got there. Okay, so it's looking like my project, it's running well. We have good numbers here, 17.7. The sun is shy today, going in and out. 19.4 amps, and look there to the energy meter. This row of cells, this battery here was completely disconnected, so the voltage difference between these two guys and this one, it's huge. I had to put a kind of resistor to balance the voltages, but so far I'm really happy. Now I have a straight idea, clear idea about how much energy is going from the MPPT to the batteries. And by the way, as long as I'm here, let me do another test. The charger is connected through this energy meter to the batteries. Now I want to do some other test. I'm disconnecting the panel. Okay, obviously no more charging. No, 0 amps. But what's happening if I'm connecting the inverter? Now the inverter is on batteries, and let's see what's happening with the energy meter, if it's counting the both ways, in and out or only in. Okay, so we have production on the inverter. You see there, it's 308 watts going out. And what is my meter saying? 7.19 amps. And obviously the wattage, okay, so yes, well, I was really hoping that it's a single way measuring. No, the wattage is, it's growing, even if the sense of the current it's opposite. So now the batteries are discharging, in fact, you see, but it's still counting. Let's see the clamp meter. We don't change the sense of the clamp meter. Alright, here we go. Here, .1 amps. Okay, turn off the inverter. 0. And now panel on. Yes, now it goes with minus. Alright, but that's good enough. This is good enough. Now it's going into the batteries. But you know something? Finally, I can have a very clear idea of the whole energy coming in and out from the battery. So it's perfect. Alright, see you soon with some other experiments. For now, the things are running smooth, no problem at all. And I hope you like it. Please push subscribe, please like, and like I said so many times, don't forget to have fun. Bye bye.